my name is Cindy and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel Nighttime Edition, and thank you so much for watching. We received all of these products in the mail and today I am going to open them up right in front of you. As usual, I'm giving everything away in this video, so check out the link down below on how you can be entered to win. Now, I'm really excited about Patreon because supporting us there allows you to see our videos weeks before anyone else while it helps us to pay for shipping all of this to you. It's a win-win for everyone. So the details are also down below. Now let's get started. I can hardly wait. All right. Can you believe they let me play with a knife? Woo. I know, if you've seen the other videos, I mean, that didn't happen from that, but you know. All right, guys, let's see what's behind box number 1. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is exciting. Look at that, the outdoor Wi-Fi security camera. Woo. I'm just gonna open it, swiggle it just a little bit. Ooh, it's snug as a bug in a rug, guys. Ha-ha. I'm excited. Who's excited? If you're excited, say I. I can't hear you. Okay, this is, oh my gosh, this is awesome. We don't need this. Look at this. Okay, do you want to know about this awesome camera? Let me tell you. This is actually something, it's an outdoor wireless security camera that is by Vision, and it is 2K with 2 LED lights. And it gives you colored night vision, perfect for this time of night. What do you guys think of this nighttime edition anyways? I would really like to know about that. And it has a distance up to 90 feet. So that's something definitely you want to keep in mind. Now, the Wi-Fi surveillance camera is equipped with not only motion, sound, but also human detection. Ooh. Instant alerts will be pushed to your mobile when motion is detected. So you don't have to just rely on that. It's going to come directly to you. So that's right, coming straight to your phone. The latest AI human detection technology is attempted to minimize false alerts. You're awesome. Who wants to win this? If you do, make sure you keep watching and find out how. I love this. All right, what's behind box number 2? Amazing. Woo-hoo-hoo. We are getting to an exciting time. The second box is revealed. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like it's Christmas every time I do this. I'm just like, I love it. Ah, such a big box for such a little gift. But look at it. It's a CareGo. This is a personal portable security device. How cool is that? All right, let's open it up and see what it looks like. Are we curious? Look how cute that is. It's just a little, it almost looks like a Duracell battery. Now, what does this bad boy do? This is small but mighty, okay? So this is actually something that provides critical help in emergencies to keep you safe. I'm thinking like, you know, even the elderly would really benefit from something like this. It is an SOS, and with a simple alert, you pull it and it alerts your loved ones that you are in trouble if an emergency arises. So this is definitely, when requested, your protectors will know your real-time location and act immediately. This is like a GPS for anybody that is in danger of, you know, like, hello, tracking device awesomeness right here. Amazing. I'm going to put that right there where it's safe because it's small but mighty. Who's ready for number 3? And again, if you love that, or you love the first one, or you just want everything, just stay tuned because honestly, we are giving every single thing away. Can you believe that? I mean, are we absolutely out of our mind? Let us know. Do you think we're out of our mind? Because that is a good question. I often wonder, I mean, I want this stuff. Oh. All right, guys, this is our next one, the Vissel's wireless charger. Now, this actually charges 3 devices simultaneously. Can you believe that? But if you can get in there, that's half the challenge. Ooh, special skill, guys. I did it. Look, it's all here. You place your charger, your headphones, your earbuds, your smartwatch, whatever you happen to have, and then you are good to go. Now this is something, it's a 3-in-1, so if you happen to want to place your devices it actually begins immediately. The minute you put it on, it's going to start charging. And so this is something, a 3-in-1. I mean, I know for us, like we have smart devices all over the place. This is a one-stop shop for 3 at a time. That's brilliant. I love it. Do you guys love it? If you want it, you know what to do. All right, guys, number 4. Woo! Now this is, wow. We have a lot of boxes here, eh? I'm excited. Okay, guys, are you ready? You get awesome airbags. Haha, just kidding. Okay, what is it? What is it? Are you wondering? Are you curious? Do you want to know? Really, it's the airbags. I didn't want to tell you. Okay, guys, this is the EasyViz C3X Outdoor Smart Cam Wi-Fi camera. How cool is that? You guys have seen this. And if you haven't, let me tell you about it. It has night vision, which is perfect for tonight. And it has a strobe light and a siren. It is IP65 weatherproof with 2-way talk. And it has built-in AI algorithms. And that basically allows it to have recording the ambient brightness to really go with the flow and capture color information. Then images are actually embedded within it. And it's absolutely incredible. Now this is something you get live view, you get audio reception, you get instant alerts, and it's yours. Can you believe we're giving this away? I want to open it. Do you guys want me to open it? Oh, I'm hearing yes. How is that? Do I have like some crazy cool hearing or what? You guys are good. Okay. Woo! Look! How amazing is that? This is awesome. Now it gets, you have your whole, you know, information or whatever, but you don't need that. You have us. Okay, so what else can I tell you about it? It has secure cloud storage, dust-proof, 2-way talk. I mean, this thing does it all. Absolutely incredible. Look at it, it's so cute. I love it. If you guys love it, keep watching. You can have it. It's yours. Okay, I'm so excited. It's like the fun just keeps on coming, guys. Can you believe we're on box number 5 already? Unbelievable. Oh, okay. This is cool. SwitchBot. Do you know what this is? Shame on you. You need to watch the video. That's okay. It's okay. It's totally fun. I didn't know what it was either until I started playing around with it, and I couldn't believe it. It's basically like an AI finger that actually turns lights on for you and turns devices on. It's absolutely all right, guys. Oh my gosh, that was crazy right there. I literally had to stop because I lost my voice. And not because I was so excited, or maybe it was because I was so excited, because everything is energy, you know? And I'm just like, this is absolutely out of this world awesome. So these are basically like AI fingers that do the pushing for you. So you can have things turn on, you can have, you know, the fan work, the lights dim. Like, it's pretty awesome. So you really got to watch this. We did a video on it, so you can click on that and definitely check it out. Super cool. And then it comes with the hub as well. And so this is the compact all-in-one infrared remote control for your smart home. I mean, it's basically, it's super cool. And you don't just get one, you get 3 of the switches plus the hub. So that's an awesome gift right there. What the heck? I can't believe we're giving this stuff away. If you guys are as excited as I am, let me know. And hopefully you keep your voice, because that's weird. Okay, oh my gosh, I can't believe we're on the last box. This is insane. Like, I'm just like thrilled. I'm happier than a pig, and you know what? Okay, let's get rid of that box. Look at this. What is this, you wonder? Have you heard of Shamu? Well, this is Pamu. It has nothing to do with a whale. I just thought it was cool that they rhymed. All right, so check it out. Now, these are super cool. It's like a magnetic, you know, you just open it. Woohoo! Look! Earbuds with the charger. Awesome! Now, this is the Bluetooth 5.0. It has 30 hours of playback on one charge, and it gives you extra 30 hours of battery life. It fits snugly in your ear. That's right. It's a perfect Cinderella fit, guys. Honestly, it's great. And you have 2 ways to charge it. You can by using the Type-C cable or the Qi wireless charger. So it's completely up to you. You have options. This is music to your ears, or at least it's your bud. This is not an enemy. This is a bud. Okay, guys, how about all of this? What do you think of the unboxing? Remember, supporting us on Patreon allows you to see our videos weeks before anyone else does. While it helps us to pay for the shipping all of this to you, because some parts of the unknown, like you guys are all over the place. Amazing. Now, if you found this video useful, I ask that you please share it on social media. And also, there are these videos here on the side that you can totally check out. The video on the top is our most recent one, and below that is my personal recommendation. Please click on any one to check them out. I appreciate all the support you provide to this channel. Honestly, without you, where would we be?